It's so hard to have sweet dreams when I'm such a nightmare. I don't wanna talk about it, rather not go there. When I find a good thing, I burn it down slow. Only see your face now when my eyes are closed. It's so hard to have sweet dreams, and I thought you should know that. I've been getting no sleep, and I probably deserve that. When I find a good thing, I burn it down slow.